y'all, it's Gifty, the gift to your hair, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to do tape-in extensions on coarse hair texture. So to begin, I've done a deep condition shampoo wash on my client's hair. Now I'm just going through and blowing it out. After blowing out her hair, I did go through and make strain it. I used the ion strainer to get my client's hair straight as possible. So this is the situation. I do consultations before you book any appointment, right? And my client booked the tape-in extensions and we did a consultation. She comes in and I tell her, hey, what you booked, I don't necessarily think would be the best option for you, which is the tape-ins, but she got the Brazilian silky straight hair. What texture will be better will be like the yaki straight or the kinky straight. She absolutely said no. So I said, okay, well, what is best for you is what I'm going to recommend. If you choose to not go that route, we're going to do what you want. And if you're going to pay your price, I'm going to give it to you. She got 3 packs of tape-ins extensions in the Brazilian straight from giftyhair.com. Bomb hair, y'all. So pretty. So now we're about to start installing these tape-ins. She got the 16 and 18-inch tape-ins extensions from giftyhair.com. tape-in extensions are looking so far. It's really beautiful. I'm trying my very best to blend everything in. After, you know, straightening her hair and also using the blow dryer and blowing it out, this is how straight her natural hair is gonna get, or this is how straight I could possibly get her natural hair to be. So now we're all done. I'm just combing and blending, making sure it looks as good as possible. Please let me know how I did with this tape-in installment. I will love some feedback, but next time I will not allow myself to do a service that I know is not going to be the best, because after a week she did hit me up for us to remove it and do something else. But just to save time, I will not be doing services if your texture doesn't match the extensions that we're going with. But this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think. Please give me a comment in the comment section and give me some likes. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.